Good evening, students. Today's topic is combustion and flames. As we know, various fuels are used in various places, like at home, we use LPG. The full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. It is extracted from natural gases and crude oil, both of the things. Petrol and diesel are used for running automobile. Petrol and diesel are fossil fuels and they are extracted from crude oil. Nowadays, CNG is also used for running automobiles. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. It is extracted from mixture of natural gases. CNG is primarily methane by nature and LPG primarily is propane and butane by nature. Some objects can burn with the help of flame and some can still burn without it. The things that burn with flame are candle, for example. It burns with the help of flame because it first absorb the liquid wax and get vaporized and then burn. That is why flame is necessary for candle. And coal and wood burn without flame. They don't need flame for burning purposes, they burn by itself. And this kind of burning, where coal and wood don't need any flame for burning, is known as a spontaneous combustion. Why do objects need flame to burn? This is the question. And answer is some objects need flame to burn because they must first vaporize into a gas to combust like wax or kerosene. They have to reduce their ignition temperature as well. That is why they need flame for burning. Other things such as charcoal, coal burn without a flame because they don't vaporize and combust as a solid, only glowing with heat. A flame is essentially the visible part of gaseous reaction. You can see gaseous reaction in the form of burning of flame. So if the fuel can turn into a gas, it will burn with a flame. Now we come on combustion. What is combustion? What is the process? Combustion. So before jumping on the reaction of combustion, we first just come to know about the reaction. Reaction number one, magnesium ribbon when burns with the oxygen in the presence of oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide, that is a white powder. Reaction number two, coal and charcoal on the other hand when burns in the presence of oxygen, they gives carbon dioxide because they are carbon by nature. In presence of oxygen they will give carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is the product when carbon burns in unlimited amount of oxygen, means it is a result of complete combustion. Carbon if burned in limited amount of oxygen, then carbon monoxide is formed, that is highly poisonous in nature, and this is the result of incomplete combustion. Definition of combustion: a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off light is called a combustion. Whenever a substance burned in the presence of oxygen, it is known as combustion. The substances that undergo combustion are known as combustible substances, or they are also called as fuels. So there are categorization of fuel. Fuels are classified into solid fuel, liquid fuel, and gaseous fuel. Solid fuel example coal, wood. Liquid fuel example petrol, diesel. Gaseous fuel example CNG and LPG. So we will discuss rest of the topic in our next video. Thank you for now.